and welcome on my channel. With this video I would like to show you how to make a 5 stitches cluster wrapping the yarn around 3 times. The cluster will look like this and the yarn is wrapped 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. The diagram for this particular stitch is this one. This one has in the middle a purl stitch, but it could be a knit stitch or whatever, it doesn't really matter. The technique will always be the same. In this case the cluster is on 5 stitches because this symbol is around 5 stitches. It is wrapped 3 times because here we have the number 3. If there was another number, we would wrap the number of time indicated by the other number. Also, if inside this symbol we had a different number of stitches, we would just wrap the yarn around those stitches. The diagram shows everything we need to know. So once we understand it, we can easily work also a different kind of cluster. Now I'm going to show you the methods to work the cluster. One requires the use of a cable needle and the other one doesn't. I arrived at the point where I'm going to make the cluster, so as indicated in the diagram, I work 2 knit stitches, 1 purl and 2 other knit stitches. Now I bring the yarn in the front towards me and I slip the 5 stitches back on the left needle. Now I bring the yarn on the back and again I move back the 5 stitches on the right needle. I wrap the yarn around 1 time, so I repeat the same thing other 2 times. Now I wrap the yarn around 2 times. The cluster is done and now it's up to you to decide how much you want to tighten the yarn. This was the first method. The second method requires a cable needle and it is worked as follows. These were two methods to work a cluster. In this case, with the yarn wrapped 3 times around 5 stitches. For me, the first method is faster. You can refer to this video also, as I said at the beginning, to make other kind of clusters. These two methods can be used also if you need to wrap the yarn around a different number of stitches or also a different number of times. I hope this video was clear and I wish you happy knitting! Ciao!